welcome back to KNURLING design tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple exercise on SolidWorks, and here we learn some basic command. All dimensions are in mm. Now first of all see the dimension of our object. We need mmgs means millimeter gram second. Now first of all see our today exercise for beginners in SolidWorks. Now in this exercise we start to this exercise to this base 100 by this 60 plus 80 means 96 rectangle, and this extrude is not defined, then we select 20 mm and also we apply 80 mm. Now first of all we make this 100 by 60 plus 80 plus 80 18 plus 18 plus 60. Now first of all select the front plane and going to feature and extrude boss base. Now defined our axis infinite like this, right click and select, then command is cancel. Now going to this center point rectangle, give a center to like this, select. Now going to this smart dimension, this one was 60 plus 80 plus 80 means 96, done. And this height of this object will be 100. Now done. Going to this exit sketch and extrude in reverse direction and extrude up to 80 or 20 not defined in sketch. Then we also apply large extrude length 20. Okay. Now in this exercise in this edge radius are given but not given dimension. Then this edge to this center point dimension will be 18 mm. Now going to this fillet, select this edge, select this edge, and this dimension was 80. Now done. Okay. Now we make this base, second base to perpendicular over this 100 by 96 mm rectangle. This one was dimension was 80 plus 60 plus this 80. Now first we define two center line. Now select this face, extrude, select the sketch, normal. Now going to this line, select center line, select infinite length. Now draw like this and this. Now done. Now select smart dimension, select this edge to this edge, this dimension was 80, and select this edge and this line, and this line dimension was 60. Now in the last, this 18 mm radius is outer and this 3 hole defined 1, 2 or 3 diameter will be 18 through. Now first of all we make this 18 mm radius means 36 mm dia. Then going to the circle and draw like this, going to smart dimension, and this diameter will be 36. Now this one done. Now going to this 2-point rectangle and draw like this. This is not symmetric to this our center axis. Then going to this display and delete relation and going to this add relation, select this point and this line, make it symmetric and okay. Now this one was defined. Now add relation, this axis and this edge, make it horizontal. Now this one was horizontal, collinear, then automatically coincident this edge. Now this distance of this edge one was, I think, 30 plus 10 plus other side 30 mm dimension, means 70. This dimension was 70. Now fully define this rectangle. Black means fully defined, and see, this is fully defined. Now select the line, draw like this and make it random. Going to add relation, select the line, select the circle, make it tangent and OK. Now this line are tangent to this our circle. Going to trim like this, OK, and select the line, mirror and mirror about this axis. Then see, mirror command are completely done. And select the line and delete. And going to one more time trim, select this entity and delete extra entity on our drawing. Then exit. Now select reverse side and this extrude up to 18 mm. OK, and also select this merge result option, then our both body are merged, this option. Now see, this radius was 13. Then going to select this fillet, select this edge and select this edge. OK. Now this one was done. Now we make a rib or this extrude circle, two circle, and one was extrude cut and one was extrude, and extrude up to 40 mm. Bigger one was 50 and smaller circle was 28 and this radius was 35. Now going to this fillet, select this edge, this dimension is 35. Done. Now select this face and make it extrude. This sketch one was normal. Now make it one center line to make our drawing is perfectly create, and select infinite length and OK. Now going to smart dimension, select this edge to this dimension was 80. Now select circle. First of all make one more center line to our drawing is perfectly create to the center. Now this circle and draw like this, and this circle diameter is 50. Going to exit, and this extrude up to 40 and done. Now select the face and make it extrude cut to this 28 mm diameter circle cut. Select the center point and draw like this. This circle diameter was 28, show in the 28 in the slide. Now 28, exit. Now see, this one was cut but in one direction. We need both direction. Then going to this and select through all both side and OK. Now see, this one was completely done. Now we make one rib on this edge and this circle outer surface, and this thickness of the rib will be 10 mm and the radius is 60. Now select right plane, sketch, and the sketch one was normal. Now first of all make it one center line infinite to reference and one point on this edge and this point to this dimension was 60. Now select this center point arc, select this point and select this and this point like this. Now dimension, select this 60, OK, OK and exit. Now sketch are done. Going to this rib, select the material direction, flip outside or flip inside, flip material side. Now we need in downward side and this thickness was 10 mm, show in this slide 10 mm thickness, done and OK. Now see, this 10 mm thickness rib one was created. Now we make 3 holes 18 mm diameter and this position was one was in base and two hole is in perpendicular other rectangular side. Now we select first of all going to hole wizard feature, hole wizard, select simple hole, going to downward, select standard, we select ISO, select drill size, then we make rough hole, diameter 18, through hole. If we select blind means we apply dimension, if we select through all then not apply dimension, automatic through all. Now going to this position, 3D sketch, one was this, one this and one in this position but not perfect. Then going to right click and apply dimension. This dimension is 18 by 18, 18 by 18 by 18 and the center of the two hole, between two hole is center dimension is 60, show in this the slide. Now select this edge and this edge, this dimension was 60. Now this point and this point, this distance was 80. Now see, sorry, perfect not. Then first of all normal it, then both dimension are not perfect, then select it and delete, select it and delete. Now select this edge, this point, this dimension is 18, this point and this point. Select delete. Now first of all make it in add relation. Select this point and this point, sorry, clear selection. Select this point and this point, make it in coincident. Delete. Now we apply dimension on other side. This dimension is also 18 and we define our this hole fully 18 by 18, 18 by 18. Then note some problem are there. Now both are, this point will be black, then our this hole are fully defined, and then other one was not defined, then so this underdefined. Now one more time make it, and this distance is 60. Then if we apply, then this one was fail. Now cancel it, select this one, delete. Now done, this both hole are done. Now we apply now we apply this whole dimension, this other hole in other plane. Now see the dimension, this both hole are concentric, means this outer radius and this inner 18 mm diameter hole is concentric. Then going to this add relation, select this face, select first of all make this point first of all center line, infinite length, and make like this. Now smart dimension, this dimension is 18 plus 16. Now done, height was done but not in concentric with this axis. Edit feature, position, then normal, then going to this add relation, select this and this, make it coincident. Now diagonalist and exit. Okay. Now see this, today our exercise is look like this. Now apply this appearance, painted,